Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Void AI, an open source AI code editor that gives you a full control over your coding workflow. Let's get started. First, head over to voideditor.com. You can also download the beta from the site or check it out on GitHub. So, what is a Void AI? Void AI is a cursor alternative. It is a fork of VS Code that lets you write code with any AI models, retain full control over your data, and transfer all your themes, keybinds, and settings with one click. Using the AI features, the Void AI includes powerful coding tools like Tab Autocomplete, Edit Selection Inline, Agent Mode, and Gather Mode, normal chat mode for assistance, and also it supports any LLM anywhere. No private backend like Cursor or Windsurf. You can connect directly and even use a private or frontier LLMs. Other features include lint error detection, native tool usage, fast apply, and even a large files. Agent mode and MCP. You can join the Void AI community to ask questions, share tips, and stay updated on new features. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.